Man, this thing is way too damn noisy. Especially when you come across this rough patch. Jesus Christ, why didn't I bring the stroller? Waking up the neighbors. Man, that's it. I'm taking the tricycle back. Try to be cheap. Try to save 20 pesos. Wake up the whole damn neighborhood with this loud ass two-wheeler here. It's all right if you're rolling on straight pavement, but if you're not, this thing sucks. It's better to put it in a stroller. They were getting pissed off because they just washed the stroller, washed all the cloth in it. They didn't want me putting these dirty beer crates in the stroller, so I had to take this damn two-wheel dolly. It doesn't work with shit. I mean, it's doing a job, but it's just too noisy. Whoa, shit. Look at that. Just breaking my bottles here. Cool. Hey, look at that. Got all the dogs in the neighborhood stirred up because of my noise maker here. Alright, I gotta cross the road here, my friends. There we go. I gotta try to... Look, now we're on this pavement, it's even worse. Hello, sir, how are you? Sorry about all the noise. All I gotta do is make it over here to the store. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm taking the tricycle home, my friends. I ain't dragging this shit back. I ain't doing it. But what's gonna happen, I'm gonna lose one of these bottles. They're gonna roll out here in front of the street. It's gonna cause a crash. I'm trying to save 50 cents. It just ain't worth it. Damn, it's noisy. Waiting for my right time to strike. Hey, hello.
Hello, you get drunk again?
Always. Almost get run over. Trying to get this shit across the street. Oh my gosh. This one, destination right here. I don't even know why I did that. Woo.
Hi, Sir Margo.
Hello, beautiful.
Case?
Yeah, I need to change this case out. Please. All right, folks, let me change out my case. Man, this contraption wasn't worth it.
The one.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a tricycle back.
Did they help you?
Yes, please help me.
Okay.
I should have brought it in a stroller. It wasn't a good idea. This guy.
You have an extra.
You know, Ross.
Hey man, how you doing?
Driving my car and I'm driving back.
860 on the exchange. Got changed. So this guy right here is not the ideal piece of equipment to come up here and change out the beer. So I'll wait on my change. 860 for the exchange. All right, folks. Now this thing actually drives. Oh, shit! Whoa! It actually drives a little bit better when they're full. But this little thing, man, is not the ideal piece of equipment to be moving beer around with. All right, thank you, my friend. Thank you. My buddy here's got a car. I'm not gonna get him on video, but man, shout out to you. Thanks for offering to shuttle me back to the house because this is not Oh, this is not the way to transport beer. All right, folks, I'll see you on the next one.